This is a video of how I made a granny square. And if you have any questions or you would like more instructional videos, I have a video on how to make a magic circle and also how to crochet granny square corners and sides. Please subscribe to my YouTube page, Tiffanys Crafts. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Was I chained 2. I skipped the next single crochet. So I chained 2, I skipped a single crochet, and then in the next one I had done a single crochet and I chained 2. And then after I chained 2, I skipped the next V, and I went into here, I did a single crochet, and then I chained 2, which created holes here, which are very lovely and pretty. And you can see that there are eight holes in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We are working on round 3 of winter. This isn't very difficult at all. So we're going to work the entire round in the front loops only of each stitch. So we're going to find the next chain 2 that I created, which would be right here. Okay. And in that chain 2, we are going to do 3 stitches. We're going to do single crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet. And this is going to be for a petal. So let's start that. So we're going to do single crochet in this petal right here. Okay. Single crochet, half double crochet, and then a single crochet. Okay, so we have 3 stitches done in one space. And that's going to be our petal. And then we're going to single crochet in the next single crochet, which would be right here. And remember that we're working the entire round in the front loops. We are working on round 4. So we're going to locate our round 2. We're going to find round 2. And that's right here. So the way that you find round 2 2. Is you're going to locate your magic circle right here, and you're going to count your rounds. Well, that was round 1, and this is round 2, and we did, and then up here is round 3. Okay, so you're going to find your round 2, which my round 2 is right here. It's right above that magic circle. Round 2 would be right here, right where my thumbnail is. And we're going to locate the back loop, because this whole round is going to be working in back loops only. So this is where my stitch is, right here, where my, in between my fingers are, where that stitch is for round 1. I mean round 2 is first stitch. Okay. And having stitch markers really helps. Okay, so we notice that this is the front loop, and then behind it right here is the back loop. So we're going to be working in the back loop. See, if we went like this, we went forward, we could try that. Okay, so we're going to chain 5, because we want this petal to be in front of your circle here, because that's how it is in the photo. She's got the petal in front of all of this work. So we're going to chain 5. And if we don't like that, we can work from behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now this is going to make our height. Now if you don't like this height, you think it's too high, you can do less if you like of the chains. Chain 5, skip next SC. Okay, so we're going to find our next SC, which would be from round 2. Alright, so I had to locate the second stitch in round 2. Okay, and I put a stitch marker right there so I can see where I'm working at. Okay, so I had done the 5 chain, and I'm going to put it in the next stitch. So we skipped it, we made a chain, we skipped the next SC, single crochet, and now we're going to go into the next single crochet in the back loop. I'm working with a number 5 hook. Okay, now I'm going to single crochet in here to make and complete this petal. Okay, now we've got the petal, and now we're just going to repeat this. Repeat. In the back loop only, we are going to do a single crochet in here. So that kind of like closes up and makes the petal when you're doing that single crochet. So you can see the petal right here. So we have 2 petals. We have one right here and one right here. And it does help to use your tally marker so you know exactly how many you've done. Okay, so now we are going to we have slips. Basically what you're doing here, it's almost like a slip stitch, but it's a single crochet. Now we're going Yes, this music is from my main page, Tiffany Juliet, and these beautiful photos here were taken from a vacation when we were on a cruise. Okay, so now this creates petal number 3. So we have petal 1, 2, and 3. And so we're going to repeat that again. Okay, so I just finished the round, which was round 4. It came out nice. I think I accidentally got a couple more loops than I should have. I might have been too precise in finding the SCs, single crochets, that I was looking for. So be a little bit lenient when making this, so you're not doing exactly every single crochet where you're doing your 5 chains, and then you're putting it in the next, and you're skipping a single crochet, and then you're going to the next single crochet. You could be a little lenient and do more than one skip if you want, to make sure that you get 5 loops. I ended up getting more than 5. But this is so pretty that I don't mind at all that it's a few extra loops. And it's gonna lay like that. It's kind of 3D looking. This music that you're hearing is of me playing my beautiful harp. So we are working on round 5. And this round is much easier. Okay, I think that round 4 is probably the most difficult in the whole project. So in round 5, we are going to be working in round 5. We're not going to be working in round 2, okay? So somehow we're going to have to join it back here. And it says round 5, in next chain of 5 loop work, you're going to be doing a single crochet, a half double crochet, 3 double crochets, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. And that's how you're going to be making a petal. So you're going to be making more petals. And then that is going to continue to repeat. And you're going to do that through the whole round. And then you're going to join it. Chain of 5. And we're going to be doing a petal, so we're going to have to chain 5. And that 5, that chain, is going to give us our height for the next petal. So this is where we're working. We're working in this stitch right here. And in next chain of 5 work, we're going to do those stitches. We're going to be doing 6 stitches. We're going to be doing 6 different types of stitches in here, and that's going to make that petal quite long. Okay. So let's start with our single crochet. So we're going to go in. We're going to go in here where we're working. And we're going to do a single crochet. And then we're going to do a half double crochet. So we're going to go back into here. And we're going to yarn over, pull through. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. And then we're going to do 3 double crochet. Just going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops on the hook, and then we're going to go through the second 2 loops, and we're going to do this three times. So this is number 2 for the double crochet. And then number 3 double crochet. Do a half double crochet, still in this same stitch that we're working in. It's good to put your finger right here so you know that this is the same stitch, but you don't want to stretch it out too far. And then single crochet, as this is, we're making a petal here. The petals are done in one stitch, okay? And then when we have our petal made, and now we are just going to repeat that, and then it's through the whole round, and then we'll get to the end, we're going to join it. So here's our petal. That is quite a large petal right here, from my thumb to this finger here, okay? And it's going to lay like this. Okay, so I have secured that, and that's how it's going to look from the side. And so then we are going to continue, and we're going to repeat that pattern.